Alright, can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Can y'all see me? Hold on. Let me move this over here to some light. Can y'all see me? Hey, hold on. What's this ISO? We gotta put this ISO. Can you hear me? Yo, what it is, what it do, YouTube. So check it out. It's a very special day. As y'all see, I'm not in my normal spot. You feel me? Let me show y'all what happened. So, hold on, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's water all right here. You feel me? Look at all this. Look at all this. The plumber's gonna come get that. I was in a bad mood. I couldn't make no videos today, but I just got in a better mood because, boom, boom. You feel me? And now, I'm glad I got this, and this is a good video to make because now I get to show y'all, you feel me unboxing these Currys. I got the Curry 7s, I didn't get the Curry 8s because really I just didn't want to spend that extra bread, but I got bills, and I only got 400 subscribers on YouTube, so I can't afford them yet, Curry. Wait till I get 1,000 subscribers. But let's see what this look like. Okay. You feel me? Size 11. You feel me? You know they say big feet, you feel me? Okay. I like the boxes. If you check out the box, it say well, I'm gonna do a thorough like with my camera and everything, so y'all really see how they look. So we gonna open this bitch up like skirt. Hold on. Y'all see the wrapping, the SC. These are looking icy. Ooh, stop it. Hold on. I'm gonna keep it in the box. Check me out. How I'm bumming. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all how they look. Currys! Look at these motherfuckers. Look at these. Look. Ooh. You see the. Ooh. Okay. I gotta make sure. Cause y'all see I got on a pair I got on these old busted pair of Currys. So I had to go home and get these. You feel me? Originally I wanted the all black with the black seams, but they didn't have no more. And I ordered it too, and they said they had them. They were supposed to be here, but they never came, you feel me? But let me look at these, we gonna compare them. This the busted Curry, you feel me? These are the ones I done hooped in, walked in, worked out in. You see they still in good condition. I done had these for like a year, 2 years, probably 2 years. You feel me? And this is what they look side by side. So they hold up well. For real. You about to go crazy. I'm about to be Colin, you feel me? I mean Curry, you feel me? Alright. You know, they got the digs in there, so no creasing. Let's see. You know, I gotta thoroughly check my Currys, bro. Make sure they good. You see, the traction. I needed new traction. I didn't want to be on the court. You feel me? And lose that traction in my heel. And also the padding in here was kind of worn out. You really want to get new shoes every 6 months. These shoes lasted me so long. But let's try them on. So by the way, if y'all don't know, I guess with this video, since I'm not reacting to nothing, I can tell y'all a little bit about myself. So I'm actually a cinematographer, photographer, creative director, all of that. I started off as a photographer, and I'm pretty good at that. So y'all gonna be able to see some high quality look at these Currys. You feel me? And you know, you got the SC at the bottom. I'm not sure what this, I'm not sure if that's dust on that bitch or is that part of the design. Y'all see these little Hold on. Hold on. These little, is that part of the design? Let me know. Let me know if these little speckles is supposed to be on there, part of the design. You feel me? I ain't really tripping too much because I'm just excited to have a pair of these. Let's get a closer look. This little rim or trimming right here, that it's not white, it's like metallic silver, the same color as the SC. This is so clean. This is so clean. Look at it. Hold on, folks. If you don't focus, you feel me? That's clean. That's clean. These are, let's compare them to my old ones versus, you know, how they hold up. So, as you can see, the Currys do hold up pretty well. And I done hooped in these, I done ran in these. I work out every day in these shoes right here. You feel me? I go running, all that. You feel me? But let's turn them this way versus this way. Yeah. So y'all can get a good look. You feel me? Ooh, these motherfuckers right here. You feel me? Alright, let's get these up out of there. Let's get these up out. Hey, we drink water. You feel me? We only drink water. I still got my Christmas lights up. It don't matter. It don't matter. We talking about the. Come on, let's get these. I want to show y'all everything the whole time. Hold on. Let me set the camera up. Hold on. Can you see me? Yeah, my TV on the floor. You feel me? Hey, you feel me? Niggas don't really need. I'm a single nigga, you know. We don't really need no TV stands for real. Put the game right on the floor, put the TV on the floor. We play just like that. But, ooh, we gonna take this out. So, yeah, I'm like a size 11. And 11 normally fits pretty well. So, well, I got on mismatch socks today. Hey, y'all really just called me, you feel me? I just woke up, I was all on my scalp. You feel me? Ugh. Alright. Now, check this out, folks. We don't cross rep around here. Y'all see the Under Armour? Hold on. Y'all see the Under Armour pants? You feel me? Y'all see the smoker hole? You ain't no true smoker if you don't got that smoker hole. You feel me? But alright, let's see. Oh, they feel perfect, man. They feel perfect. They feel perfect. Y'all see I got my this is my desk right here. You know, until they come fix all that, you feel me over there? That's gonna be like that. Well, let me try this other one on. I'm gonna try this on, then come back, y'all. Hold on. So this how they hold on, Pooh, Shicey. Pooh Shicey, that's my dog, boy. You know I'm really Shicey. Alright, chill out. Alright, so this how they looking. You feel me? All black, clean, all black, clean. You feel me? Check it out. Hold on. I want y'all to see the. Yeah. We got the SC on the shoelace. Hold on, let me focus. Boy, if you don't focus, oh my bad, it's too bright. Anyway, that's an SC right there. I don't know why it's not focusing. Oh, there you go. You feel me? Clean, comfortable. You know how sometimes you put new shoes on and they feel like new shoes. These feel good. Like they feel great. Like I could go hooping these right now. I know normally you gotta break them in, cause right here when you hoop, it'll bend a little bit until you break this fabric in right here. So you're gonna have a little pain right here for maybe the first 2 or 3 times you hoop, but you know. It's worth it. It puts you flat on the ground. You feel like you're really close to the ground. And you know, I just think these are just great quality shoes. I got the black because I can wear them with everything. And your shoes shouldn't be darker than your outfit ever. You feel me? Oh, I ain't even show y'all the best part. You feel me? Signed. Signed. You feel me? You know, I know Curry personally. You feel me? He sent these to me in the mail. Like, hey, bro, I got you. I'm gonna send these to you for free. Shit, I wish. But yeah, hold on. But yeah, that's all for me today, y'all. I just wanted to share that with y'all today. You feel me? That's it. I just oil my scalp, so this bonnet got to stay on for the rest of the day. But it's a good day, man. It's a good day. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, share this video with one other person. Yeah, and that's all for me today, y'all. Peace.